This is the Freedom Factory in the heart of Michigan. And this is where your independence gets built. Every power transfer seat starts here, precision crafted using cutting-edge laser technology and industrial-grade steel. We don't outsource this, we don't cut corners. Because when someone's independence depends on your work, quality isn't optional. Our master welders have years of experience. They know these seats support lives, and that elevates the standard behind every weld. The track system is E-coded to OEM automotive standards for lasting protection. Certified technicians test every function, ensuring each seat is built to handle thousands of transfers before it leaves the facility. Our conversions utilize the OEM seats from every car, preserving all original seat functions and features for guaranteed comfort. This is what it takes to build a transfer seat that gives someone their independence back. And this is how we've been doing it since 1987. Freedom Motors, built here in the USA, built for your independence.